According to Seattle Public Schools, social media companies are exploiting the minds of young people.
Now the district is taking legal action to protect their almost 50,000 students from harmful content. They filed a federal lawsuit against the tech giants seeking accountability. And Fox 13's Frankie Thompson joins us from district headquarters to explain these details. Frankie.
This lawsuit filed by Seattle Public Schools is likely the first of its kind in the nation. District leaders say the connection between social media and their students' worsening mental health is no coincidence. Washington's largest school district is taking on the world's largest social media companies, blaming the tech giants for the mental health crisis among children.
It's been long recognized as a problem. What hasn't happened yet, and hopefully starting to happen, is to hold these companies accountable for what they're doing and what they've done.
Seattle Public Schools filed a lawsuit in the U.S. District Court against the companies that own Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. In the complaint, the district blames the companies for worsening kids' mental health and behaviors.
The key that I think is coming from these lawsuits and from this public awareness is a desire to get these organizations to, one, acknowledge the issue, and to begin internally developing and designing their apps to address the issue.
The documents say SPS surveyed its schools in 2022 and found social media played a significant role in the increase of rowdiness in the classroom, tardiness, students skipping class, using electronic devices when not permitted, bullying, physical fights, and threats of fights. The district says the study also revealed more students are experiencing depression, anxiety, and eating disorders. Child health and development experts say social media algorithms fuel those negative feelings.
Unfortunately, if you're an adolescent with eating disorders and you're searching out such sites, you may find many of them that support your behaviors, may even give you tips about how to cover up your problem from teachers and from parents and from caregivers.
In a statement, SPS says the increase in suicides, attempted suicides, and mental health-related ER visits is no coincidence. As alleged in the complaint, this crisis was already growing before the pandemic, and research has identified social media as playing a major role in causing mental health problems in youth. During his annual report, State Superintendent Chris Rakedal says suicide numbers among youth have reached pre-pandemic levels, and he says students are exposed to some of the darkest content on social media.
There is something profoundly different about being a young person on planet Earth today. And if this lawsuit sheds light on that, and if the industry asks itself hard questions on how to double down on protection of young people, I think that's good. I will also say I think there's evidence that the industry's done a lot to try to help in this situation.
Many of the companies are responding to the lawsuit, saying they want children to be safe online and are creating measures to increase safety. Meta says it developed more than 30 new tools to help parents supervise and limit their child's time and content on the apps. And experts say families and guardians can make a difference by being mindful of their child's online lives.
We have not spent nearly as much time trying to track our children's digital lives. And we need to do that. We need to think about where they are, who they're with, what they're learning. And it starts with having conversations with them.
The district is represented by a nationally recognized law firm based here in Seattle. SPS is also seeking monetary damages, but the amount was not revealed. Reporting in Seattle, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.